Boyd Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is a Scottish habitational surname denoting a person from the Isle of Bute in the Firth of Clyde in Scotland, derived from the word Boyd, the Gaelic name for the island. It can also be a surname that denotes the descendants of a man named Gilla, son of Boed or Boyd, who lived in Glasgow, Scotland in the early 12th century and was found in the records of Glasgow Cathedral, which we see on the right. And it can also be an Irish or Scottish surname derived from the Gaelic MacGiolla Buidhe, meaning the yellow-haired youth's son. Early bearers included Robert Boyd of Irvine in Scotland in 1205, Alan de Bodha of Dumfriesshire, Scotland in 1214, Robert Boyd of Scotland in 1263, Walter de Bath of Paisley, Scotland around the year 1272, and Robert Boyt of Ayrshire, Scotland in 1296. Notable titles held included the Earl of Kilmarnock, a title created twice in the Peerage of Scotland for the Boyd family. It was first created in 1454 for Robert Boyd, Great Chamberlain of Scotland, a descendant of Sir Robert Boyd, who fought at the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314, and it was created a second time in 1661 for William Boyd, the 10th Lord Boyd. And here we see an old oil painting of William Boyd, the 4th Earl, as well as the family seat of Dean Castle. Family also owned Portoncross Castle. It was given to them by Robert the Bruce. Bedley Castle was built by the Boyds in the 16th century. They also owned Law Castle in West Kilbride and Penkill Castle. Thomas Boyd was elevated to the Peerage of Scotland in 1467 as Earl of Arran, son of Robert Boyd, the 1st Lord Boyd. And on the right we see his standard. The Boyd baronetcy of Danson in the county of Kent was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1775 for Sir John Boyd, a wealthy sugar merchant and vice chairman of the British East India Company. His son, also Sir John Boyd, 2nd Baronet, who we see on the right, represented Wareham in the House of Commons. And here we see the family estate of Danson Park and modern day. Landed gentry included Boyd of Merton Hall in County Wigton, Scotland, and Boyd of Ballymaccool in County Donegal, Ireland. Notables included Louise Arner Boyd, born 1887, an American explorer of Greenland and the Arctic, who wrote extensively on her scientific expeditions and became the first woman to fly over the North Pole. Mark Alexander Boyd, born 1562, was a Scottish poet and soldier of fortune. Lieutenant General Sir Robert Boyd, born around the year 1710, was a British Army officer who served in the 7 Years' War. Zachary Boyd, born 1585, was a Scottish minister and university administrator. He served as Dean of Faculties, Rector, and Vice-Chancellor at the University of Glasgow. Robert Boyd of Traching, born 1578, was a Scottish theological writer, teacher, and poet who served as the principal of the University of Glasgow and the principal of the University of Edinburgh. James Alapuna Harbottle Boyd, born 1858, was a military official under the Kingdom of Hawaii. Early settlers included Alexander Boyd, who came to Virginia in 1619. Martha Boyd arrived in Massachusetts in 1712. Jean Boyd came to Louisiana in 1720. Adam Boyd came to New England in 1723. Archibald Boyd came to New England in 1742. Peter Boyd came to Nova Scotia in 1706. Another Peter Boyd came in 1749, and James Boyd arrived in Nova Scotia, Canada in 1750. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.